Hey guys! Today I will be reviewing this cleaner mold and mildew stain remover. It basically says to spray the area, wait 1 minute, and then wipe and rinse. So that's what we're doing. Fudge! I forgot to record. Basically, I just sprayed this whole area. Sprayed. And now we just wait. Oh my gosh, guys. I can see the black coming off. It says to repeat if needed. Okay, so I think it's been about a minute. I'm gonna use this sponge. Oh my god, guys. That definitely is not as black as it was before. So it just says rinse. I'm gonna wipe and do it again. I'm gonna dry the area with a little towel. Freaking looks better. I cannot believe this. Round 2. Spray. Then we wait. The right thing to do would be to remove the caulking and apply new caulking, but we don't feel like doing all that right now. So this is the second wipe. I'm just gonna wipe this thing down now. Deal. Because I said bad words in front of them all the time. What? This was black. This whole freaking thing right here. Oh my god. You guys, I cannot believe how good this thing worked. I'm about to go clean the whole house. Bye guys. Please like and subscribe.
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit that subscribe.